How to enable spreads on Robinhood. In this video, I'll show you how to enable spreads trading on Robinhood quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded Robinhood app on your phone. If you're an iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and if you're an Android user, you can download it from Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open Robinhood app. Make sure to log into your account. After you log in, you'll see a home page, and on the bottom you can see person icon at the right. Click on it. Now click on this three line on the top left corner, and here click on settings. Under settings, find and tap options trading. To trade spreads, you'll need level 3 options trading. Follow the prompts to apply for level 3, which might ask you about your trading experience and financial info. Next step is to wait for approval. Once you submit your request, Robinhood will review it. If you are approved, you will be able to trade spreads right away. And that's how you enable spreads on Robinhood. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.